Hi everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to leverage the grading categories to help your students navigate what their graded work is, what they need to get turned in, and maybe what their overall grade is going to be if you'd like to show that for them. So I'm viewing this course as a student. I'm going to click on the grades tab and you can see based on my categories the work is organized by the goal check in here. These are going to be the overall scores due at the end of the marking period, and then these are the graded work assignments that support this. So it's very similar to what you would see in the mastery settings. So each assignment goes with the overall grade. So let's take a look at a grade book where this is not set up yet, and I'm going to show you how to get it set up. So what I'd like you to do is go to the gradebook section of your course. You want to make sure you have those two categories, that you have the graded work and then you also have your goal check. So what you're going to do is you are going to add a grade column. So we're going to hit this plus sign and we're going to hit add a grade column, and we are going to say we're going to title this, let's by the book abbreviations first. And then we're going to put goal 1, and then afterwards I'm going to use all caps for this. Oops, I must have clicked out of it. Sorry about that. I'm going to type in overall grade in total points. So I'm going to change this to 8, change my grading scale to goal-based math. My category, this is going to be the goal check because this is going to be the overall. I'm going to factor this as 0, and then I'm going to hit create. And what's going to happen now is I'm going to have a grading column in my grade book for this particular goal. So what I want you to do is I want you to take some time and set up the goal category, like a goal for each, a grade column for each goal. I would start with the book that you're currently working in and then add those, and you can add them as you go. So now let's look at this. If I were to put, if I wanted to give my students their scores, so I'm going to put in the 8 or the 5, 3, depending upon how the student scored, how they're scoring. You can take a look at the mastery setting to help you, because you'll be able to see the different scores that are your different checks for each of the goals. But now if I were to view the course as a student, I should be able to see my overall grade as a grade listed there. So if I'm going to go into grades and see right here, I've got the overall grade, and notice it's not clickable. That's important because that means the kids can't click on it to submit anything, and that is because we added a grading column. So you're going to have your overall grades in using a separate grading column, and you can manually enter that score in, and you can look at the mastery section to help you. But this is how you add the grading category to not the grading category, the grading column, to manually put in an overall score for the students. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.